Hi, welcome back. So in this video, we will design the register fragment UI for our authentication flow. So after downloading the starter project, you have to add a fragment here called register fragment. Now coming to the fragment register XML, here I will copy and paste the logic for the UI so that it will save our time. So after adding this fragment register, so here I will copy and paste the logic, but I will explain here what we will did. Okay, so it will basically save our video, video length. Otherwise our each video will take half an hour of the step by step to tell you the each line of mean. That is not needed. So I will copy and paste the logic for the register screen. Okay, so what is missing here? Okay, it's a bg gradient. So basically we have to make a drawable asset for bg gradient name, and this bg gradient should be is a shape of a rectangle shape. Now coming to here, it should be in a gradient in color. So start color black, and then we have an end color. Okay, and then we have an angle 90°. So this is looks like our bg gradient. Okay, now coming to the fragment register, now we can see. Okay, we see two more errors. Okay, that is for IC email. So here I will add one more vector asset for email. If it is not coming, no worries, I will copy and paste from my end. So IC email I have added, and IC password also I need to add. All right, password also I have added. Now one more thing is missing. Okay, so it's a margin. So for margin I will add one values for dimension. Under values I have added one more dimensions. Okay, so it has all the margins. Now it is fine. So now I will explain what we did actually in this register UI screen. So here we start with the nested scroll view as the root element. This ensures that if the keyboard opens or the device screen is small, the content will still scroll properly. Inside it, we have used constraint layout for flexible positioning. Then we have added a gradient header called a sign up. You can see under gradient header, we have used a text view title called sign up. All right, and then we have used a card view. Below the title, we add card view. This will act like a container for our form. The rounded corners and shadow effect make it look clean and modern, matching material design guidelines. All right. You can see under card view we have used again constraint layout. Then we have text input fields. Okay, these are the text input fields. For this is for password, and here I have used a text view for terms and conditions. And then we have a create an account button along with progress bar. So whenever user click on create account button, inside this button a white color of progress bar will appear. Whenever user submit the details, whatever they inputted in the edit text. Okay, and here enter the linear layout, that is a we have used two more text view, that is so already have an account. So whenever user click on this login text, they will navigate to the login screen. Okay, so now similarly we have to use the similar logic for UI for another screen called a login fragment. we will add one more fragment for login. This login screen, we will see you in the next video. Thank you.